Welcome student. Comparison of series and parallel combination of resistors, and this is a special case for n identical resistors. N identical resistor means R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R2. We take n number of resistor whose value is equal to R only. All the resistors value is equal to R. In series combination, R equivalent is equal to n times into resistance of one resistor, identical resistor, that is n into R. See, let us see for the series. For series 1, 2, 3, and we have connected n number of resistor in series. N number of resistor in series. See, for R equivalent, this is for series combination. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to Rn. This is the equivalent of all this resistor connected in series. Therefore, R equivalent is equal to R plus R plus R plus R is equal to n times of R, which is equal to nr. This is for series. That means R equivalent is equal to n, that is number of resistor, n number of resistor multiplied by resistor of single one, which is single one, whether you take anything, all are equal to R. Therefore, in series combination, R equivalent is equal to n times of R, which is equal to n number of resistor into value of one resistor. In parallel connection, let us see for parallel connection. Now for parallel connection, suppose we connect n number of resistor in parallel. So parallel combination. So we are connecting 1, 2, 3, like this up to n. 1, 2, 3 resistor, n times of resistor. See, in parallel, R1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus up to plus 1 by R nth resistor. Okay, therefore 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R, because R1, R2 all are equal to R, plus 1 by R plus 1 by R. This is 1 by R is equal to n times into 1 by R is equal to n by R. Therefore, R equivalent 1 by R equivalent is equal to n by R. R equivalent is equal to one resistor divided by number of same identical resistor. So, R equivalent is equal to R by n. It means in parallel circuit, parallel combination, the resistor value decreases. In series combination, the resistor value increases. Suppose if we take for a single resistor, for two combination of two resistor, for series as well as in parallel. For series, this is R1, R2, that is R1 and R2. It is connected, so R equivalent is equal to R plus R is equal to 2 into R. This is number of resistor equal to 2. So we can say R equivalent is equal to n into R for series. Now for parallel, two resistors are connected in parallel. Two resistors are connected in parallel across voltage. Now voltage is not required. So this is R this is R, and this is equal to R. So R equal to 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 is equal to 2 into 1 by R is equal to 2 by R. R equivalent is equal to R by 2. It means single resistor divided by number of resistor. Here is it is 2. If it is N in general, R equivalent is equal to R divided by N. This is for parallel combination. So for N is equal to R by 2. R by 2, this is, and for two resistor parallel combination identical. This is N, all are identical resistors. Now voltage here, the series combination is a voltage divider and parallel combination is a current divider. So voltage divider V1 is equal to, suppose for two resistors, if you take two resistor N series first. Two resistor N series, since it is a voltage divider, that is for series, this is 1, this is 2, R, this is R. So here is the voltage 1, this is voltage 2. So voltage 1 is equal to, see, voltage divider means 1 means here 1 will come, multiplication of 2 into common voltage, the applied voltage V. So here R1 is equal to R, R2 is equal to R plus R, into V is equal to R by 2R is equal to R into V is equal to half R. Therefore voltage 1 is equal to R by 2. Voltage 1 is equal to R by 2 into V. So here the voltage is equal to R by 2 into V. Voltage 1 R1 plus R2. Simple calculation, R plus R divided by 2R is equal to half V. So voltage is equal to, this is equal to half times of V, so it's equal to V by 2. Here the voltage V1 is equal to V by 2, and for here the voltage is equal to V by 2. This is only in case of all identical resistors. In case of parallel circuit, let us see what will be the condition. So if we are connecting two in parallel, we have connected in parallel. So already we have connected in series. This is a series. This is series. Series is a applied voltage is V1. This is R. This is R. V1 is equal to R by 2 and V2. V2 is equal to R by 2. Voltage is divided. In case of series circuit, where this is the applied voltage. In case of parallel, parallel. See I1, what is I1? I1 is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into total current. So what is I1? So this is I1, this is I2. I1 is equal to R2 is also R. R1, R2 both are R plus R is 2R into I is equal to I by 2. So I1 is equal to total net current. This is the net current supplied by the battery, and this is divided in E2 equal ratio. It is for two identical resistors. Same way I2 means what? I2 means R1 is nothing but R1 plus R2 is also is equal to R plus R is equal to R by 2R into, this is into I. So R by 2R into I. Therefore I2 also equal to I by 2. What we have to remember here is, in case of parallel circuit and identical resistors, the current is divided by net current divided by number of resistor. Here voltage is equal to the voltage V1 is equal to R V by 2, and R1 V2 also is equal to V by 2. It is V1 is equal to V by 2, total voltage divided by 2 divided by number of resistor. V2 also equal to V by 2. This is the difference we have to find out. This is for in case of parallel combination of n identical resistor. V1 series resistance V1 is equal to half of the voltage and V2 is equal to half of the applied voltage. So this is the applied voltage V. And here current. What about in parallel circuit? The current is divided. So that is why it is called voltage divided. It is called current divided. In voltage divided, identical resistance means the voltage, applied voltage is divided half here, half here. Same way here, the current is divided into half of the net current into half of the net current. That is, for parallel, I1 is equal to net current divided by 2, I2 also is equal to I by 2. In nutshell, we can say n identical resistance means number of current, the current, total current, that is net current divided by number of resistor is equal to the current in one branch. Here the voltage divider means voltage, applied voltage divided by number of resistor. It is the voltage at 1 point, second point, and so on. If in case of 3 point, it will be in case of 3 point equal resistance V is equal to V by 3, V1 and V2, V1, V2 and V3 all are equal to V by 3. Total voltage divided by number of resistor is the voltage in every resistor. Here the current in each resistor is equal to net current divided by number of resistor, identical resistor connected in parallel, that is the current through every branch. Therefore, for n number of identical resistors, see this is R, both are identical resistors, two resistors connected in parallel. Current will be equally divided among all resistors when resistors are identical in parallel combination. That is, I1 is equal to I by 2, I2 is also equal to I by 2 for identical resistors connected in parallel. For series, this also identical resistor, this also identical resistor connected in series. This is the voltage across R1, that is R, voltage across R. The voltage will be equally divided among all resistors when all resistors are identical, all the resistors are identical. That is, V1 is equal to V by 2, V2 is equal to V by 2, where V is equal to applied potential difference or applied voltage or applied EMF, whatever it differs from place to place.